Kahit nga, magandang araw. Ano po ang kalimang grupo? Ano po ay i-interview na para sa aming proyekto na tinatawag mo po kami Tangyo. So, ito po, matabang pa na wala po i-interview natin. Tapos na sa audio. Sarap na driver. Engineer namin. Kasama ako. Ha ha ha. Bigo na naman kami. So, papabukas na lang siguro natin.
Buong nga. Thursday na lang.
Ano po yung nag-video na po kami. Wala po yung engineer namin ngayon. Wala. Baka pwede mo
August 20, August 17, di ba? So, ang deadline is August 20. Thursday, that's Thursday.
So, next.
Next yes. Kasi, dapat kasama ko ng late August, about August 20. So, may calculations pa rin dami. Hindi naman pwedeng August 20 na sa August 30. Sabi ko lang yun, hindi na pwede. Parang nagkakaroon, pagulaan ko na lang.
So, mayroon pa na kami ng computer kasi yung pay namin para kontakin yung engineer namin. Let's go. Sana may makakatip.
What if there was no light? Nothing wrong, nothing right. And what if there was no time? And no reason or rhyme? What if you should decide that you don't want me there by your side, that you don't want me there in your life? What if I got it?
Good day, everyone. So, this is our second attempt to look for an engineer that has an experience in this. So, our engineer is a professor here in the University of Manila. And for now, we are waiting for him in order for us to have an interview with him.
So, ayan, interview na namin yung interview namin. So, para ako sa interview, yung nag-emendahan niya.
Yung pound sa record. Kailangan, sabihin sa akin,
Ross. Talaga? Dali mo na lang. There's a few reference to the ito. Ito po. Ito sir. Which one?
So, safety engineer.
Okay na ba? So, good afternoon. Si Sir Balili, ang i-interview namin today for our documentary sa NSAFE. So, let's start. So, Sir, I am Edward Pe, and we conduct interview.
Yes.
So, the number one question is, what is safety and what is a safety engineer for you?
Let's just say, safety, not exactly the definition, is achieved through conscious effort. Every movement, every detail must be designed with safety in mind. So, for example, if sa construction site, you can't just say to the laborers, oh, ingat kayo dyan, baka mabulot kayo dyan. You have to put handrails. You have to design the site such that there's a very, very low chance that accidents should happen. So, as the saying goes, there are no accidents.